Welcome back to my channel. It's Lakia Marie, and as y'all see from the title of the video, this will be a Houston luxury apartment tour. I did some cleaning before I show y'all my actual whole apartment. Now, it wasn't no full deep clean, but I did get some stuff cleaned, and hopefully it provides a little bit of motivation. Not a lot, but a little bit. Because for me, I just cannot clean everything in one day. I have to break it up, but that's just me. And fair warning, the quality of some of these videos are so bad and I didn't even realize. So please just ignore. Now I'm talking too much. Let's get to cleaning.
Every other car that I've ever
now we to the fun part. Let's get into this apartment tour. We're starting off in the kitchen. I love my kitchen. I love how huge my island is. I can really fit 3 bar stools right there. I'm just still deciding on what bar stools I actually want. The only thing I miss about, I've lived in 4 apartments since living in Houston, and I've been here for 2 years. I will say the only thing I miss is having a gas stove. The electric is cool and all, but I miss having a gas stove. I'm not gonna lie. It's just something about that gas stove. It just hits different. Now moving on to the living room and my bedroom. My living room couch is actually from Facebook Marketplace. Do not sleep on Facebook Marketplace. My sectional couch is so freaking cute. I love it. I ended up getting it for a really good price as well. So going into my bedroom, my bed is actually from Affordable Furniture Houston. It's a furniture store out here in Houston. Of course, they dropped it off, built it, and I just love it. I just love the way it looks. Ignore the cords, that's so ghetto. Now what y'all can't say is that I'm not realistic, but I'm still deciding on what I want to do with my bedroom TV wall, because I'm honestly just not too sure I want a fireplace in there anymore. Moving on to my bathroom. My bathroom is so spacious, has so much storage compared to the last 2-3 apartments that I was in, y'all. And in the closet, chef kiss. I love this. I love the space. I love the size. Everything about my apartment is just so perfect to me, especially for the price. This is my washer and dryer. I am not a fan of that stackable washer and dryer. I actually hate it. I will only prefer my washer and dryer to look like this. And here are 2 of my storage closets that I have inside of my kitchen. And yeah, I just love how much space my apartment has. Definitely luxury and affordable, and we love to see it.